2005 CL55 AMG Supercharged V8. He calls her the silver bullet. It's only got 50,000 miles on it, guys. This car is clean. Look at it. Beautiful car. So what we got done on it, factory converter, secondary converters there. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna take the secondaries off and put high flows. And we're gonna take the H pipe off and we're gonna put an X pipe to clean up the sound for him. But for right now, we're just gonna do this. So we did a res delete there and there, or resonator. Then we did a muffler delete on the back, and we had to do custom Y pipes on it, as you guys can see there and right there, to keep his AMG tips, because you gotta keep the signature AMG tips on it, as you guys can see there. There they are. That's how you straight pipe these. Wow, really clean, came out really nice. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. There's the two mufflers that were on it, and that's how they come out. That's why we had to do the Y pipe on each side to clean them up. And there's the two resonators that were in the middle, okay? That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. CL55. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at his face. Give it gas. Just wait till Again. Wow. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Again. There we go. 107. Yeah, it's even louder than that. Does it have a sport mode or anything?
It does. Yeah, it's probably already on it.
Click it on. Because sometimes it resets when it's off. Let's see if he can put it in sport mode, make it a little bit louder. Wow. This sounds yeah, it sounds so much better. It's deep. It's not like raspy or nothing. It's deep. It's perfect. You know why he took the cats off the other guy? I like it like that. This is more classic. Again? Yeah, perfect. I want to back it up. Very nice. Nice wheels on it too. Look at that. Some 20s. Cool. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Mercedes. Fully straight pipe. Really nice car. Love the AMG tips, but everything else straight pipe. Ooh. You can hear that sucker. Enjoy, guys. That was awesome.